Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the tech news for Wednesday, September 9th, 2015. In today's news, of course, the biggest news of all is the Apple event announcing new iPhones with iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus. They bring a new feature called 3D Touch, meaning that not only you have multi-touch on the glass surface, but also you will have levels of pressure that will give you different options. As 12 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, so that's even better. A new way of actually getting your selfies, for example, will be better because the screen will be used as a flash. So that's an interesting feature. Apple TV also available. New Apple TV available. That's been really long wait. And I actually have the Apple TV 3 here. And I will purchase the new Apple TV and, of course, talk about it. Even though we are on a Windows channel, it's, I try to go to a lot of tech. The new Apple TV will have, of course, an app store. We'll be able to, have different apps that will enable us to shop. New Apple TV with Siri and touchpad, so you'll be able to talk and ask and say, I want to watch this episode of this program, and it's going to bring you there. Some interesting features. Nothing fantastic, though, and I must admit, I'm a little surprised they didn't go even further with the Apple TV. So coming in October for $149 and $199 for 32 and 64 gigabyte. Of course, App Store with games on the Apple TV. That will probably be the major use I will have is doing a little gaming on the Apple TV. Also announced a new iPad Mini 4 and an iPad Pro announced with 12.9-inch screen. It will have also available as extras an Apple Pencil, which lets you write and draw on the screen, and a smart keyboard, which is very funny because the smart keyboard just looks like a Surface Pro keyboard available in Microsoft. So when we say Apple has a lot of innovations and so on, well, that looks more like a copy of an existing keyboard of the Surface Pro tablets that Microsoft has. It's just so funny. But there's always copy from one side or the other. Some Windows features are, of course, copies of Mac OS 10 features, but some OS 10 features and some Mac features are copied from Windows. Everybody copies from each other, and everybody has innovation in its own way. Also, today we had a little funny moment because it's something that we don't think that will happen usually, and we were all surprised to see that there was a little part for Microsoft on the Apple event where they talked about the iPad Pro and productivity online for enterprise and anyone that uses Microsoft Office. So of course they talked about Microsoft Office a little bit. It was just so funny to see a part of Microsoft, and I think it surprised pretty much everybody. Even the crowd was a little surprised here when they seen that. So of course, productivity with Microsoft Office for iPad Pro. Microsoft Edge browser. Last week we were talking about the fact they would have an open source video format called WebM, and it apparently is going to have another format, one called VP9, which is a video coding format that is made by Google. And that's an important codec because it offers efficient compression that can be used for 4K video streaming. So it means that this will add 4K video streams to Edge. It's going to be interesting, and also probably going to help have new devices next year that might have 4K video screens and 4K video outputs. So that's coming to Microsoft Edge. No date yet. Apparently it's going to come in an eventual insider preview. Talking of insider previews, if you are a Windows 10 mobile insider, we have a new build, not yet, but apparently this week. If you are a Windows 10 mobile user, you'll have build 10,536 apparently available before Friday. So check updates regularly. Hopefully it's coming this week for the Windows 10 mobile platform. It will be built 10,536. That's going to be interesting to see. I know a lot of you, tell me about that and ask me questions. A lot of you have been trying it out, so it's really cool to see. Hope you guys have fun with that. And finally, Microsoft will actually push on insiders enterprise features. It seems that some of the insider previews, if you're a Windows 10 insider, will have enterprise grade features. And the reason for that is that the enterprise has been in general very, very positive with Windows 10, with apparently already 14% of companies that have upgraded, and another 40% would be upgrading before the end of next year. So it's probably one of the fastest upgrade features of enterprise in an operating system. So it's normal that they want to basically simply send enterprise features to the insiders to test them before they ship them to the enterprise themselves. So looking forward for that also. If you're a Windows Insider, you'll have all sorts of new and interesting features in the Windows Insider previews coming up soon. I'm hoping maybe before Friday, but with the release of Windows Phone update, I wouldn't be surprised maybe next week we'll have another Insider preview for Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. This was Tech News for Wednesday, September 9th, 2015. If you have any comments, questions, anything you want to know, please ask. If you like the videos, give us thumbs up. Helps us in the ratings on YouTube. Thank you for watching.